One. Ready?
Tulo.
Okay! Ilan na? 2!
Paano yung kumakontra? Nakakakaw.
Sarado mo yan, sarado mo. 1, 2, and 3. Sino may birthday ngayon, kids? Okay, pag sinabi ko say the magic word, sasabihin niyo happy birthday, Cyrus. Okay? Sabay-sabay, yung malakas ha, tingin sa magic. Ready, kids? Say the magic words! Yung malakas!
Happy birthday, Cyrus!
Ready, kids? Count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Palakpak muna!
Nakakabay si ate kumakontra.
May naman na! Hawakan mo! Ayan. Okay, kuha ka na isa. Ay, sa labas na. Okay na natin ka na ate. Ate, may naman pa ba siya? May naman pa.
Kumakontra.
Wala sendo.
Hindi mo gawa?
Mataba.
Aba, ano yan?
Mataba. May ulo.
Ay, di ka bra nga.
May dalawang bilog. Ano yun? Mata yun, di ba? Pag may ulo, may dalawang
Mata.
Mataba, may ulo, may dalawang bilog. Hay! Namumula. Ang mata. Diba?
Puyat yan.
Puyat nga eh, sabog. Mataba, may ulo, may dalawang bilog, namumula. Ay, eto na. Sasabihin ko na yung buong kahayupan. Madalas, mataba, may ulo, may dalawang bilog, namumula at balbon. Nagsisimula sa A, nagtatapos sa S.
Ahas.
Kaya mong balbon. Kaya sagot dyan eh. Kaya mong balbon.
Wala.
Wala naman ah.
Ito balbon.
Sabi niya na may ahas na balbon daw. Anong klaseng ahas kaya nakita? Ahas na balbon. Baka nakakabit ka. Okay mga bata, tamang sagot. Ahas na balbon, nagsisimula sa A, nagtatapos sa S. Meron nga. Nagsisimula sa A, nagtatapos sa S ay balbon siya. Animals.
Aba nga naman.
Kasi, tawa na tawa eh. Wag na. Sino na gusto? Ayaw nyo? Sige, bahala kayo.
Oh, tamaan. Iling. Binabata mo.
Nakuha. Buti nga.
Hello. Okay, kids, nag-inject kayo sa magic. Para sa next, sa 3rd birthday or 7th birthday ni Cyrus, makabalik pa tayo rito. At yung pagbalik namin dito, ibang tricks naman ang papakita namin sa inyo. Okay? Yung tusukan ng arayong sa mata. Pwede na yun. Kumakain ng espada. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
The grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. When they were up, they were up. Aye! When they were down, they were down. Down. When they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. grand old Duke of York. He had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Oh, the grand old Duke of York.
Happy first birthday, Cyrus. Baka nasa ilan ng table in church. Hanapin niyo po kasi pinakakuha may special prize. 1, 2, hindi, basta papel yun eh. Hi! Okay, paglabas si Mami, dala niya na yung special prize. 6, 7, come on kids. Na papel lang po yun, maliit na papel. Happy first birthday, Cyrus. 8, okay, 9, bilis. Baka nasa ilan ng table and chairs. 10, 8, 9, 10. Stop! Tapos sa yung count. Sino nakakuha? Wala naman. Sabi ko, baka may nilagay. Ano yung nahanap nyo? Hindi kayo marunong kumitin.
10 green bottles sitting on the wall. 10 green bottles sitting on the wall. But if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'll be 9 green bottles sitting on the wall. 9 green bottles sitting on a wall. 9 green bottles sitting on a wall. But if one green bottle should accidentally fall.
Okay, happy birthday, Cyrus. I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa party mo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng umattend ng first birthday celebration ni Cyrus. I hope na nag-enjoy
Sitting on a wall. 8 green bottles sitting on a wall. But if one green bottle should accidentally fall, there'd be 7 green bottles sitting on the wall. 7 green bottles sitting on a wall. 7 green bottles